Sanding time is here. Got 3 things to sand. A rusty rim from an outside table. My repaired bench top. Gas cap area on the Buick. Outside and inside. Shaping and smoothing to be done. Passenger side rear fender. Maybe start Bondo and filling of this. But that might be an entirely separate project. But for now we start sanding. One would think an outdoor piece of furniture would be better constructed to handle the rust. This was never actually in the rain. It was undercover the whole time. It's actually eaten right through here. This is only a couple of years old. Bottom's okay. Got through this edge. Oh, that's pretty bad. Okay. Ouch. That's nasty. Got some sharp breaks in the steel over here. I'm just going to round those off. Because somebody could wipe their hand across the table and slice it open. There's a glass insert that goes in this. Okay, there we go. Razor edges have been removed. There's also rust inside this that I can't get at with this. So I'm just going to coat this whole thing with the rust converter and then paint it. So that's the sanding on that. And now go for the workbench. I forgot that all my tools are stored in the workbench, so I had to unload it to get it out. So there it is, but now I strained myself a little bit. I'm going to take a minute break and then we'll get on this. Oh shit, rust up there. Okay, that is going flush. Oh. Oof. Oh, nice. But there's still a little divot right here I'm going to have to take care of. That's just discoloration, that's not a divot. And other than that, it's smooth, so I'm going to do a little more Bondo there. Although actually I got some no-mix body filler I'm going to use to do that. And a divot there. Other than that, pretty good. I'll need to do some hand sanding on the finer spots. I got to hit that gas cap. That's got some rust blisters starting on it. Okay, good. I'm going to get the wire brush out here, see if I can do something inside here. Not actually a wire brush, a flexible sander. Oh, that's nice. I just want to make sure no water can accumulate in here. I need to make sure my new work drains nicely. Yeah, I think that's got it. Okay, so a little filler here and here. Other than that, that's all pretty good. Let's take it around to the other side. Okay. Whew. Okay. So, the job always grows. New tool to find new things to do. Found a lot more areas down there to hit. I'm gonna have to come out here and hit all these spots with rust inhibitor now. And oh, and look at that! What the hell is that? Okay, so rust inhibitor, and then we'll get on to sanding the workbench. Just so you know what I'm talking about, I just spotted this. Looks like somebody took my corner when they were getting in a parking space or something. So I just sanded that down. And I just realized with this wire brush I can do the inside of that ring I was doing earlier. So let's go do that. Because you really got to see that, you know? That was a bitch. Okay, I'm going to rust convert all that stuff and then I'll get out of the bench. Okay, that's done. And I neatly sliced my hand on that sharpened rim. Okay, so let's get this baby going. Go. Smooth surface. I'll wax that up. That'll be just beautiful. Happy day.